Hey guys, so oh, you found it?
No.
Huh? Yeah.
So
I told you not to play. I bought a fidget spinner and it broke, so I broke it even more. As you can see in a second, I took all 3 of them. There's one. That was 4, but I also showed the middle. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a new one, since I'm going to make a new one anyways. And also, if you guys want to make a 3-bearing one, I'm only doing a 2-bearing one, because I think they look better and I like them more. But you guys can do a 3-bearing one, and I will be showing you also how to do that. So, I just bought a 7-Eleven, like, $2 fidget spinner. And then I bought a nice one for about $10. Doesn't spin that fast, but spins for a long time. It looks cool on camera. If we like that. I have the same one that other YouTuber guy has. Infant lift. Infant lift! You're awesome. Slow it down, see. That looks insane. Oh, and yeah, it does go pretty fast, actually. Slow it down even more, slow it down. See, it just like, look how cool that looks. I mean, that looks insane. But, anyways, you are gonna need this. And 2 of these, I got clay on the other one trying to make one without the glue gun. And I'm not showing my face because I'm awesome. But, because my face is also right here. Cool hat. Yeah. I'm a little wop. But, so I will be heating up the hot glue gun, or did you already do that? Okay, so it's already heated up. Let's go. And of course I can, sorry. So, first what you want to do, this, is, so with this one, you want to take the hot glue gun, and then, on the side, put some glue there, just like that, and hurry up and put this on, and of course it already dries, so you gotta be quick. Oh my god. Well, anyways, you do that. I'll come back to you guys when I did that. Hey guys, so I got it done. I'm not gonna bring it up yet, but also you're gonna need these parts. It is the holder of the middle part. I will actually try to show you guys this. So that's what it ended up. And that looks pretty cool. I mean, if your fidget spinner broke. But if you want to make the 3 fidget spinners, take the 3rd one and obviously just glue it down. Yeah. So it can look like a 3rd one, but it's not gonna look the same. So like that. But it won't look the same. It'll look good, but not the same. And also with these, you're gonna need these to place on the middle once finished. And also, this is actually pretty cool that I made last night. I made a bow that actually shoots toothpicks, and it actually works. Watch. This is the cup I shot this morning. I'll shoot it again. So, here, I'll try to get it at the top. Top. Zippity-dop. That's sometimes it backfires like that. But yeah. This might not work. But yeah. Probably won't. But it shoots really nice. Sometimes it doesn't even shoot. I hit it, but didn't stick. Okay, never mind. Mom. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try to pick it up. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive! Oh my god. It actually works. It's like, I'm not that psyched. I'm awesome. But if you, of course, want to upgrade this, take these and stick them like how this is like that. See? So you can do that. No, don't do that. Yeah, that, no. That would just break it. Okay, well, that's my video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.